From historical records, we know welding and joining processes have been used since ancient times. The first mentions date back thousands of years, when soldering was already used to join metals, in the manufacture of jewelry, weapons, pots, and tools. In Roman times, a technique we now call forge welding was already in use. The true beginnings of modern welding date back to the Industrial Revolution at the end of the 19th century. The amalgamation of materials became research-based, using physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Industry demanded permanent joints for manufacturing, driving the first welding patents using both chemical and electrical energy. The most important discoveries were the electric arc and acetylene, which, combined with oxygen, created a flame hot enough to melt metal. These discoveries were finally put to full use in the 20th century. Arc welding processes like MIG, MAG, and TIG became standard. Resistance welding and force-based methods like ultrasonic and friction welding followed. In recent decades, laser and electron beam welding have emerged, along with hybrid techniques combining multiple methods.